Thank you for choosing Lifted Trucks in Mesa, Arizona. Here's the 2026 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum Edition. It does have very low miles. Straight into the wheels and tires. Very clean body, brand new. Do a poly steel ceramic application on it. It is blacked out. It also comes with 2 keys. Hit the wrong button. It does have power seats. Entertainment system. Power running boards. Bucket seats. There's your entertainment system, full panoramic. Oh, the door thing's pretty cool. So you can actually just, when you close the door, completely close itself. Trailer brakes, four-wheel drive modes, full screen all the way across. There's your miles. There's another TV over there. Controls here. Let me see. There's a full panoramic on there. Center console. Let's go look under the hood. There you have it, 2026 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum here at Lifted Trucks in Mesa, Arizona.